Yeah, today I'll be showing how to make the alphabet flashcards. It can be used to teach the alphabet A to Z or phonics lesson and sounds. All right, this one you are seeing on the screen right now is free printable, which are laminated. Okay, it has images. Also, I bought this a while ago on AliExpress. It's also alphabet flashcards, but it has images. Okay, so that's it. For today, I'll be making something similar to what you've seen. I mean, from this samples shown here, but without images. So it's for alphabets A to Z. What do you need? You need a cardstock like this, and you need to make a tabulation like this, okay, on the paper. Then you can feel free to use any color of marker. Make it colorful to make your lesson quite interesting and enjoyable for the kids. So now you write the alphabet. Very important, ensure to write both the uppercase and the lowercase letter, okay? It's very important that the kids or your learners are able to recognize both lowercase and uppercase of each of the letters of the alphabets, okay? Very important. So now cut the cards, all right, into flashcards like this. Cut them all from A to Z. Yes. And arrange them properly after cutting the cards. All right, good. So what's next? Can you see that? Wow. A, B, K, D. This is beautiful. All right, simple, right? So now it's time to bind the flashcards. You may decide to use a paper clip as seen here. Use a big paper clip to clip it together, see? And you can teach like that, flipping it through as you teach, and the learner repeats after you. Also, you may decide to perforate the flashcards and hold it with a key holder ring. I bought a cheap key holder and I removed the ring, to do this. If you have a spare one at home, you can use that as well. So perforate the flashcards using a perforator, like for example the one here. Look at that. Yeah. So arrange them properly and make the puncture. Yeah. Puncture the papers, perforate them. Yes. And fix them into the key holder ring. Wow. Now we've got our alphabet flashcards. Hooray! Look at that. As easy as A, B, C, right? You just flip through, and the A, B, K, D, E, F, G, just like that. And that's it. For your phonics games, phonics lesson, you can use this. You can always recite this first thing before your phonics lesson. You go through all of the alphabet sound and you have your basic one for the day. And that's it. Now let me bring it side to side with the one I bought, you see, online. And look at that again. This is beautiful. So enjoy.